In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to permanently delete Roblox account. This is important for protecting personal privacy, especially if you no longer use the platform. It ensures that your data, including chat logs, personal information, and payment details, is no longer stored or potentially vulnerable to breaches. To do this, simply head to Roblox. You want to tap on More at your bottom right, and head to Settings. On the Settings page, head to Privacy and Content Maturity. You will then select on Account Deactivation and Deletion. To permanently delete your Roblox account, simply tap on Initiate Account Delete. Put in mind that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be reversed. After deleting your account, you will not be able to access any items from your Roblox account. Tap on Initiate to proceed. Well, that's how easy it is to permanently delete Roblox account. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.